Here is an amazing update on the new WhatsApp Chat GTP feature. Before I show you that, if you have not yet been able to access the WhatsApp Chat GTP feature on your phone, on your WhatsApp, you need to check now. Check your normal WhatsApp, you'll see it now. All my friends who told me they couldn't see it on their phone, now can see it, now can access it. So check now. What is the latest update I want to show you? See this. I click on this. Can you see this image? I created it with WhatsApp Chat GTP. Can you see this? I mean WhatsApp Meta AI. Okay, so let me ask it to create an image of a black couple. For me. Let's see what happens. This is perfect. This is so lovely. This is so amazing. So you can use WhatsApp Chat GTP to create your AI images or even logo. If you love videos like this, do follow me for more.